Hello, this is Ganesh Dixit. We are starting exercise 6.1. So here in first question, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in bracket. So here first part is all circles are, so here dash, and in bracket it is given that congruent or similar. So all circles are similar, not congruent. Maybe congruent if their radius is equal. Otherwise they are similar. Okay, here option it is given that similar or congruent. Clear? Now second part is all squares are, again all squares are also similar because their all sides are equal and the angles are 90 degrees, so they are also similar, but size is not known, so it may be something vary. Okay, so now third part, which is all dash triangles are similar. सो हियर ऑप्शंस आर आइसोसेलेस एंड इक्विलैटरल. तो आइसोसेलेस को हम नहीं कह सकते बट इक्विलैटरल, क्योंकि ऑल एंगल्स आर 60. सो ऑल इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल्स here it is similar and here also it is similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. Now next part, two polygons. Here fourth part is two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if, कब होंगे वो similar? So it is if here A and B both are there. Here if dash है. Now first part is their corresponding angles are so angles कैसे होने चाहिए? Equal. Angles are equal. This is blank. And B, here their corresponding sides. अब corresponding sides कैसे होनी चाहिए? Sides equal नहीं, sides का ratio equal होना चाहिए. So their corresponding sides are, sides कैसे होनी चाहिए? Proportional. Sides are proportional. Clear? These are. Now move to second question, which is give two different examples of pair of. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, हमें टू डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स देने हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज सिमिलर फिगर्स. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या था? सिमिलर फिगर्स. तो सिमिलर फिगर्स का दो एग्जांपल देने हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी कैन राइट पेयर ऑफ इक्विलेटर ट्राइंगल्स. हियर लाइक इक्विलेटर ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, स्क्वायर्स आर सिमिलर, सर्कल्स आर सिमिलर. सो एनी टू पेयर वी कैन टेक. सो हियर वी कैन राइट फर्स्ट पेयर, which is pair of equilateral triangles. Are similar. Or second example we can write pairs of squares. Squares are also similar. Circles are also similar. We can write squares are similar. Clear? Now second pair we have to write non-similar figures. So non-similar figures में a triangle and a quadrilateral. अलग अलग different two figures ले लो. A triangle and a quadrilateral. कभी ये सिमिलर नहीं होंगे क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ही जब सेम नहीं है, एंगल्स का क्या होगा फिर, है ना, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स. सेकंड एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सेकंड एग्जांपल में एक स्क्वायर और सर्किल ले लें. सो अ सर्किल एंड अ स्क्वायर, क्योंकि दोनों शेप्स सेम है, अलग अलग हैं, तो ये कभी भी सिमिलर नहीं हो सकते. आर नॉट सिमिलर. ठीक, तो ये भी आर नॉन सिमिलर फिगर्स. Okay, now move to third question. Here in the third question, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. There are two figures given. First one is like rhombus like this. Here the sides are given 1.5 centimeter. It is also 1.5 centimeter. It is also 1.5 centimeter. It is also 1.5 centimeter. All sides are same. P, Q, R, S. And one figure is given like this, square. All sides are equal and angles are showing 90 degree. These names are A, B, C, D. 90s are given. They are showing by 90. So it is 3 centimeter sides. It is also 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter and it is also 3 centimeter. Now, are they similar or not? They are not similar. So these shapes are not similar. These shapes are not similar. Now see here, यहाँ पे देखिए इनके साइड्स का रेशियो सेम है 1.5/3 यानी कि 1/2. इट इज़ ऑल्सो 1/2. इट इज़ 1/2. इट इज़ 1/2. बट एंगल्स आर नॉट इक्वल. जो कंडीशंस होती हैं ट्रिपल एस कंडीशन, वो केवल ट्राइंगल के लिए होता है स्पेशली, कि ट्रिपल एस अगर तीनों साइड्स का रेशियो इक्वल है तो वो सिमिलर होंगी. बाकी किसी शेप में केवल वही कंडीशन होती है, ऑल साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल एंड ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल, देन ओनली देयर ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज नेक्स्ट विच इज 6.2. So now we are starting exercise 6.2. So in this exercise, first question is in figure, first and second two figures are there. DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC given है. Find EC in figure first and AD in second figure. So here in first question, first part is there is one triangle given like this. So the triangle's name is A, vertices name are given A, B, C, and there is a side given DE. So for this AD is given 1.5 centimeter. Here AD equal to given 1.5 centimeter and AD is 1.5 and AE is 1. AE is 1 centimeter and DB equals to 3 centimeter. And now we have to find EC. We have to find EC. Yes, first yes, EC find करना है. So here EC equal to question mark. So for this, since it is given that DE is parallel to BC, so in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, then by which theorem? BPT. Then by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So what is it? AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Now put the values. So AD is 1.5 upon DB is 3 equals to AE. AE is 1 upon EC we have to find. Clear? So to cross multiply 1.5 into EC equals to 1 into 3. Now separate EC, which is equals to 1 into 3 is 3 upon 1.5. Now remove this decimal. So we can increase the 0. So 15 to the 30. 1 ja 15, 2 ja 30. So here we have EC equals to 2 centimeter. Clear? Now move to second part. Second part do yourself. Okay, same है second part, वो आप खुद करोगे. Now we are solving second question. So in question 2, E and F are the points on sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. There is a triangle given PQR like this. If there is a triangle PQR and it is given that there are 2 points D and E and F on PQ and PR. E और F कोई भी 2 points हो सकते हैं. For example, we assume it E and it is F. And some values are given. For example, there is first part. In this, PE equals to 3.9 centimeter and EQ equals to 3 centimeter and PF equals to 3.6 centimeter and FR equals to 2.4 centimeter. And now we have to check the sides are EF parallel to QR or not. So for this, if this triangle, verify the BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So for this we have to find the ratio PE and EQ. So we are finding here PE upon EQ. For this PE is 3.9 upon EQ is 3. Now decimal आगे 0 बढ़ा लिया, decimal are removed. 39 upon 30, 3 से cancel out हो जाएगा, 3 13 जा and 3 10 जा. So it is equal to 13 upon 10, or we can write 1.3. Now we are finding PF upon FR. PF is 3.6 upon FR is 2.4. Decimal removed. 12 3 ja 36, 12 2 ja. So it is 3 upon 2. Both are not equal, or we can solve in decimal also. It is 1.5 and it is 1.3. So we can see these two ratios are not equal. So therefore PE upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR. So therefore EF is not parallel to QR. ये पैरेलल कब होगी? जब ये रेशियो इक्वल होगा बाई कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी के कन्वर्स में अगर ये रेशियो इक्वल होता है तो साइड्स पैरेलल होती हैं. नाउ वी विल मूव टू सेकेंड पार्ट. सो फॉर दिस second part doing homework, we are solving third part. Okay, so third part we are solving here. Second do yourself. In third part it is given that PQ equals to 1.28 centimeter and PR equals to 2.56 centimeter and PE equals to 0.18 centimeter and Q and PF equals to 0.36 centimeter. Now here also we have to find same ratio PE and EQ, but here EQ and FR are not there, so firstly find EQ. So for EQ we can find PQ minus PE. See that this diagram, if we have to find this EQ, that means we have to subtract PE from PQ minus PE, then we get EQ. So PQ value is 1.28 minus PE value is 0.18. Now subtract it, so we will get 1.10. Same here, find FR. So FR equals to PR minus PF. Now PR is 2.56 centimeter. 56 minus 0.36 subtract करिए. So 2.20 centimeter. Now find the ratio. So we have to find PE upon EQ. So PE upon EQ, which is equals to PE is 0.18 upon EQ is 1.10. Decimal are removed. Now we are dividing it by 2. So 2 9 ja 18 and 2 से cancel हो जाएगा. 2 5 ja 10, 1 10, 2 5 ja 10. So it will be equal to 9 upon 55. Now find PF and FR ratio. So PF upon FR, which is equals to PF is 0.36 upon 2.20. Again remove the decimal. Now cancel out it by 4. 4 9 ja 36 and 4 5 ja 20. 2 which are 20. 4 5 ja 20. It will again equal to 9 upon 55. So both the ratios are equal. So here PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. So therefore EF parallel to QR by converse of BPT. BPT के कन्वर्स के थ्रू ये लाइन कैसी हो जाएंगी? पैरेलल हो जाएंगी. क्लियर? Now remaining second part do yourself. So we are solving third question. Here third question is, firstly we are drawing diagram. So here there is a diagram like this. There is a side given, and here this side, these two sides there, and join it like this. So A, it is B, it is C, it is D. Now there is a point L on AC. From the two sides are given. It is L, it is M, it is N. Okay. Now in the given figure, LM parallel to CB. LM this side is parallel to CB. It is given, and LN parallel to CD. LN this one is parallel to CD. These sides are also parallel, and we have to prove AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. So for this given में क्या है यहाँ पे? LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. And we have to prove that AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. So for this proof, here if we are taking the triangle ABC, then in this triangle ACB, LM is parallel to CB. So if these two lines are parallel, that means by BPT, AL upon LC equals to AM upon MB. So in triangle ACB, LM parallel to CB. Clear? Then by BPT. BPT के थ्रू हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसमें? AL upon LC equals to AM upon MB. First equation. Now again same in triangle downstairs, that means ACD LN parallel to CD. Then again by BPT, then by BPT. So by BPT we can write AL upon LC equals to AN upon ND. Now this equation we assume second. Now from first and second, here the LHS are same, that means their RHS equal to RHS. So from equation 1 and 2, AM upon MB equals to AN upon ND. Now AM upon MB equals to AN upon ND, but we have to prove AM upon AB. AB is the whole side if we add AM and MB. Clear? So if we add 1 in the ratio, here we found AM upon MB and AN upon ND. अगर हम इसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में MB प्लस हो जाएगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई में LCM जाएगा ना, तो MB प्लस AM. बट हेयर MB इज लेफ्ट, बट वी वांट हेयर AM. आंसर में हमें क्या चाहिए? AM अपॉन AB चाहिए. सो इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दो एंड देन ऐड 1. सो ऑन या रेसिप्रोकल ऑन reciprocating एंड एडिंग 1 बोथ साइड, और दोनों तरफ 1 ऐड कर दिया. पहले रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, तो रेसिप्रोकल क्या हुआ? MB अपॉन AM, और 1 प्लस करना है तो प्लस 1 ये पे कर लिया, इक्वल्स टू ND अपॉन AN और प्लस 1. तो प्लस 1 किया, अपॉन में 1 लिख लो, यहाँ भी अपॉन में 1 लिख लो. नाउ टेक LCM, सो इट इज़ AM, सो इट इज़ MB प्लस AM equals to ND. LCM is AM, so it is plus AM. MB plus AM. See this? MB, this one is MB and plus AM, so it will be AB. So AB. So you will get AB upon AM. Same here, AB upon AN. Not AB, it is AD. D. Sorry, this is D. So AD upon AN. Now again reciprocal. सो रेसिप्रोकल कर लीजिए और करके इम्प्लाइज दैट रिवर्स कर दीजिए इसको. सो विल गेट AM अपॉन AB इक्वल्स टू AN अपॉन AD. दिस इज प्रूफ. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज फोर्थ. सो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज देयर इज अ डायग्राम गिवन. देयर इज अ ट्राइंगल. इट इज अ ट्राइंगल ABC. देयर इज अ पॉइंट D from where a line DE drawn parallel to AC. It is E. And if we join AE, then through this line AE from D we draw a line parallel to AE. D से एक line AE के parallel draw कर रहे हैं which intersect BC at F. Question is, in the given figure, if DE parallel to AC, these lines are parallel, and DF parallel to AE or DF parallel to AE, these sides are parallel, then prove that BF upon FE equals to BE upon EC. So given same question AB, given में क्या है? DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. It is given. Now to prove, here we have to prove BF upon FE equals to BE upon EC. Clear? Now for this proof construction there is no need. So for this, if we are taking this one DE parallel to AC. अगर हम इसको लेने पहले DF को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो इन ट्राइंगल DF किसके पहले है? AE के. तो ट्राइंगल कौन सा यूज़ होगा? BAE. सो इन ट्राइंगल BAE DF parallel to AE. then by BPT, then by BPT. BPT के क्या मिलेगा हमें, BF upon FE equals to BD upon DA. Similarly, in triangle BCA, पूरे में ले लें, in triangle BAC, now DE parallel to AC, DE parallel to AC, then by BPT, then by BPT. सो BPT के थ्रू जब ये लाइन DE पैरेलल किसके, AC के, तो रेशियो क्या मिल जाएगा, BE अपॉन EC इक्वल टू BD अपॉन DA. सो वी आर राइटिंग BE upon EC equal to BD upon DA. Now see these two equations here, RHS are equal, that means their LHS should be equal. So from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we have BF upon FE equals to BE upon EC. BE upon EC. Here what happened? It is E. क्या हो रहा है? BE upon EC. Clear? So this question is completed. Now move to next question, which is question 5th. Here in this question there is a triangle given. Triangle is PQR. So here we are drawing this triangle PQR. There is a triangle PQR and there is a point O between triangle and join it to Q and R. This point is O. Join O to P. O से join कर लिया. Now here the line DE parallel to OQ. Question is in the given figure DE parallel to OQ. OQ के पैरेलल एक पॉइंट यहाँ D है जिससे एक लाइन ड्रॉ की गई है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू ड्रॉ this line, so it is D and this point is E. DE parallel to OQ. These sides are parallel. And another side DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR means these sides are parallel. Now we have to prove EF parallel to QR. EF, this is F, parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR हमें प्रूफ करना है. देखो EF और QR कब पैरेलल होगा, जब हम प्रूफ कर लें PE अपॉन EQ. PE अपॉन EQ इक्वल्स टू PF अपॉन FR. अगर इक्वल हो जाएगा इट मीन्स EF पैरेलल टू QR बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT. So for this, firstly which sides are given, use it. So given, firstly we have given DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. To prove we have to prove EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. Now there is no need of construction, so start solving. So proof में in triangle, see here this side DE parallel to OQ. So in which triangle it is? POQ triangle में DE किसके पैरेलल है? OQ के. अगर हम BPT लिखें so PD अपॉन DO इक्वल्स टू PE अपॉन EQ. So in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ, DE parallel to OQ, then by BPT, then by BPT. BPT के थ्रू हमें क्या मिलेगा? PD अपॉन DO इक्वल्स टू PE अपॉन EQ. सेम बिल्कुल इन ट्राइंगल, इस साइड वाला ट्राइंगल ले लें POR. सो इन ट्राइंगल POR which side is parallel? DF parallel to OR. Then again by BPT. BPT के थ्रू हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? PD अपॉन DO इक्वल्स टू PF अपॉन FR. This equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 we see that LHS are equal, so their RHS should be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, put them equal, so it is PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR. Now see here, this ratio we get here PE upon EQ and PF upon FR. That means the side EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. So therefore EF parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Converse को CONV लिख सकते हैं, okay? By converse of BPT. Now move to next question, which is 6th question. Now this question is, here again there is one diagram given, one triangle is given. So draw this triangle. There is a triangle name is PQR. There is a point O between PQR and join it to PQ and R from all the vertices. So join it. After this is point O. Now we have to draw some lines on OP, OQ. Some points we have to take ABC on OP, OQ and OR such that AB parallel to PQ. AB एक लाइन है जो PQ के पैरेलल है. Here it is. This point is A, this point is B. And AC parallel to PR. AC तो A से एक लाइन और लेंगे. Here it is C parallel to PR. And now join B and C. So question is given. Here it is given that AB parallel to PQ. Given AB parallel to PQ, AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. To prove सेम क्वेश्चन है फिफ्थ की तरह ही प्रूफ करना है BC पैरेलल टू QR. बिल्कुल सेम है. सो फॉर दिस ये क्वेश्चन आ चुका है बोर्ड में 10 एंड 12 में 2010 एंड 2012. उसके बाद भी आया होगा मे बी. सो प्रूफ. So in proof, here we are taking AB parallel to PQ. See, AB parallel to PQ. In which triangle it is? OPQ. So in triangle OPQ, AB parallel to PQ. चलो QP लिख दिया, no problem. Parallel to PQ. Then by BPT. Now by BPT. So by BPT we can write OA upon AP equals to OB upon BQ. Equation 1. Now again in triangle right side, that is triangle OPR. So in triangle OPR, now which side is parallel? AC parallel to PR. Again by BPT. So by BPT we can write OA upon AP, OA upon AP, OA upon AP equals to OC upon CR. CR. Question 2. Here we see that both LHS are equal. So from equation 1 and 2, both LHS are equal. That means their RHS should be equal. That means we get OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. Now see the ratio. OB, this one, upon BQ equals to OC upon CR. That means BC should be parallel to QR. So therefore BC parallel to QR. By which method? By converse of BPT. Same theorem is used. Previous question also. Move to next. So it is 7th question. Hello student, this is question 7. So in this question, using theorem, Thales theorem को use करके prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Recall that you have proved it in class 9th. Class 9th में आपने एक theorem prove की थी, that is converse of midpoint theorem. So in this, if there is a triangle ABC, question is, again I am reading the question, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. अगर एक side का midpoint ले लें, for example AB is a line and there is a midpoint which is D we are taking. So D is the midpoint of AB. That means these two parts are equal. Then one side of a triangle parallel to another side और दूसरी side के parallel हो, means ये line BC के parallel है. So this point we are assuming E. So DE parallel to BC. Now after this, bisect the third side. Proof करना है कि E is also a midpoint of AC. This is the converse of midpoint theorem. So for this, given here it is given that D is a midpoint of AB. अगर AB का मिड दिया हुआ है, दैट इज़, तो हमें इससे क्या लिख सकते हैं, क्या कंक्लूजन निकलता है, AD इक्वल्स टू DB. क्लियर. एंड DE पैरेलल टू BC. और हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, जो DE साइड है वो किसके पैरेलल है, BC के. इट इज़ गिवन. एंड टू प्रूव, और हमें प्रूव करना है दैट E इज़ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. दिस इज टू प्रूव E AC का मिड पॉइंट, ये प्रूफ करना है. सो फॉर दिस मीन्स हमें AE इक्वल टू EC प्रूफ करना है. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन नो नीड. सो प्रूफ here if DE parallel to BC, since in triangle ABC DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC दिया हुआ है. Then by BPT, now use BPT. So we can write by BPT AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Can we write it by BPT? Clear? So here what is given here? AD equals to DB. So in the place of AD we can put DB. So here we are putting DB upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Clear? DB की AD की जगह DB रख दिया. Since AD equals to DB. Now DB कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 आ जाएगा. So 1 equals to AE upon EC. So we have here 1 equals to AE upon EC. AE upon EC. Now cross multiply. So we can write EC equal to AE. अब अगर AE और EC equal है, it means therefore E is the midpoint of AC. This is to prove. Now completed. So now move to next question, which is question number 8. So 8th question is using theorem converse of basic proportionality theorem, converse of BPT use करना है. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. जो MPT है वो हमें प्रूफ करनी है. मीन्स मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम 9th में थी, वो हमें प्रूफ करनी है कि अगर दो मिड पॉइंट्स को अगर हम ज्वाइन करें दो साइड्स के तो वो थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल होगी. सो हियर ABC is a triangle. Here we are taking D and E are two midpoints of sides AB and AC. This is the midpoint of AB and this is the midpoint of AC. Both are the midpoints given. So given D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. Both midpoints are given. Now to prove, what is to prove here? We have to prove DE parallel to BC. ये प्रूफ करना है. Now for this, how it is parallel? Since D and E are midpoints, प्रूफ में लिखते हैं. Since D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. अगर D AB का midpoint है, that means we can write AD equals to DB and AE equal to EC. अगर हम इसको DB को अपॉन में ले आए या DB से डिवाइड कर दें, सो वी कैन राइट AD अपॉन DB इक्वल्स टू 1. कैन बी राइट. एंड सेम यहाँ पे AE अपॉन EC से डिवाइड कर दें इक्वल्स टू EC अपॉन EC, दैट इज 1. नाउ फ्रॉम बोथ द इक्वेशंस इफ वी एज्यूम इट फर्स्ट, इट इज इक्वेशन सेकेंड. फ्रॉम 1 and 2, फ्रॉम equation 1 and 2, here see the RHS, both the RHS are same 1 1, that means their LHS should be same. So we can write AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. And now use converse of BPT. Since the ratio AD and DB equals to AE upon EC, that means DE should be parallel to BC. So therefore DE parallel to BC by converse of BPT. Converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. There is a trapezium given, so draw one trapezium ABCD like this. We are drawing this trapezium ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC, so these sides are parallel and it is given, and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. और इसके diagonals O point पे intersect कर रहे हैं, so we have to join the opposite vertices, so we get a diagonals and these are intersected at point O. It is given here O. Now we have to prove AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. So for this, by BPT we are solving. So given in given part ABCD is a trapezium. Is a trapezium. So which sides are parallel? AB parallel to DC. And to prove करना है AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. This is to prove. So now here we have to construct something. Construction is BPT यूज करने के लिए एक साइड हमें पैरेलल चाहिए. So we are assuming one side parallel. For example, if we are drawing from O, there is a side, this one OE. We are assuming OE parallel to from one side. किसी एक साइड के पैरेलल हम मान सकते हैं. So we are drawing OE parallel to AB. So we draw ओ ई पैरेलल टू ए बी, ओ ई पैरेलल टू ए बी हमने ड्रॉ किया, क्लियर, प्रूफ. So now, if OE parallel AB, then if we take the triangle CAB, so in triangle CAB, OE parallel to AB, then by BPT, तो BPT से क्या मिलेगा, CO अपॉन AO, CO अपॉन AO इक्वल्स टू CE अपॉन EB या BE. ठीक है. नाउ क्या हम इसे रिवर्स कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें प्रूफ में AO ऊपर लाना है, या ऐसे ही रहने दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. CO अपॉन AO इक्वल्स टू CE अपॉन BE, इसे हमने इक्वेशन 1 कह दिया. नाउ अब जरा देखिए, अगर हम यहाँ पे जो रिलेशन है, जो OE किसके पैरेलल है, AB के, तो सिंस OE पैरेलल टू AB एंड AB किसके पैरेलल है, DC के, देयरफॉर वी कैन गेट OE पैरेलल टू DC. So OE is parallel to DC also. Now we can use the triangle BCD. So now in triangle BCD, अब BCD triangle में OE किसके पैरेलल हो गया, DC के, OE parallel to DC, then by BPT, again we are using BPT. So if we are using BPT, then in BCD OE parallel to DC, that means we can write BO upon DO equals to BE upon CE, BO upon DO equals to BE upon CE. Now here in first equation it is given CE upon B, but here B upon CE. अगर हम इसे रेसिप्रोकल कर दें, रिवर्स कर दें, so we can get DO upon BO equals to CE upon BE. दिस इक्वेशन 2. यहाँ क्या किया हमने, रेसिप्रोकल किया. अब फ्रॉम 1 and 2 बोथ RHS आर सेम. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, both RHS are equal, that means their LHS should be equal. So we get CO upon AO equals to DO upon BO. Now but we have to prove, what is to prove here, AO upon BO. AO upon BO कैसे आ सकता है, तो फर्स्टली वी आर यूजिंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो CO इंटू BO इक्वल्स टू DO इंटू AO. नाउ AO अपॉन क्या चाहिए हमें, AO अपॉन BO चाहिए, तो BO को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो और DO को इधर ले आओ. सो वी कैन गेट CO अपॉन DO इक्वल्स टू AO अपॉन BO. This is proved. Now move to last question, which is 10th. Again reverse of this question. Here again it is a trapezium given, so we are having one trapezium like this. No, not given trapezium, we have to prove it trapezium. Okay, so just reverse it. ABCD. Now question is the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. So it is a quadrilateral ABCD and diagonals intersect at point O. So join the opposite vertices by which we get the diagonals, and they are intersecting at a point O. So this point we are assuming O. Clear? Now we have given such that AO upon BO. So what is given here? Here it is given that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. In same which is here proved, it is given here. Now and to prove ABCD is a trapezium. Proof करना है ABCD is a trapezium. In question 9 ABCD is a trapezium, it is given. Clear? So trapezium proof करना means AB parallel to DC proof करना है. For this again we have to draw a line parallel. So here same construction. So we construct here a line, we draw OE parallel to AB. Same construction किया. Proof. Now firstly what is drawn, OE parallel to AB. So in triangle CAB, OE parallel to AB, then by BPT. So use BPT here. अगर OE लाइन इस पैरेलल लाइन के पैरेलल है, that means CO upon AO equals to CE upon B. So here CO upon AO equals to CE upon BE. क्लियर? नाउ देखिए OE किसके पैरेलल है, AB के पैरेलल प्रूफ है. अगर हम OE को किसके पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दें, CD के, अगर हम OE को CD के पैरेलल प्रूफ कर दें तो हमें मिल जाएगा कि AB और CD भी पैरेलल होगी। सो फॉर दिस, अब अगर हम इस रेशियो को रिवर्स कर दें, सो ऑन रिवर्सिंग अगर हम इसे रिवर्स कर दें तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, AO/CO इक्वल्स टू BE/CE। ये मैंने अपनी तरफ से रिवर्स कर दिया ऑन रिवर्सिंग, रिवर्सिंग और रेसिप्रोकेटिंग ना, रिवर्सिंग। सो रिवर्स किया तो AO/CO इक्वल्स टू BE/C। अब जरा दिया क्या है उसे देख लो। सिंस AO/BO इक्वल्स टू CO/DO इट इज़ गिवन। अब अगर हम इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, सो AO इंटू DO इक्वल्स टू CO इंटू BO। लेकिन हमारे पास ऊपर इक्वेशन 1 में क्या है, AO/CO, यानी कि अगर हम CO को इधर अपॉन में ले आएँ, सो AO/CO इक्वल्स टू BO/DO। इसे हमने इक्वेशन 2 कर लिया। ठीक, अब जरा देखो दोनों में LHS सेम है। सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2, इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 दोनों के LHS सेम, इट मीन्स RHS सेम हो जाएगी। सो वी कैन राइट BE/CE इक्वल्स टू BO/DO। अब जरा देखिए, इन ट्राइंगल BCD, अगर हम ट्राइंगल BCD ले लें तो इसमें BE/CE इन दोनों का रेशियो इक्वल्स टू BO/DO दिया हुआ है। दैट मीन्स OE पैरेलल टू DC। सो देयरफॉर OE पैरेलल टू DC बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ BPT, converse of BPT in which triangle? In triangle, we are mentioning this triangle also in triangle BCD. So if OE parallel to DC and what is given? Since OE parallel to AB by construction, ये construction हमने किया हुआ था ना। So same lines are parallel to other two lines, that means both lines should be parallel. So therefore AB parallel to DC, and if these lines are parallel, two opposite sides are of a quadrilateral are parallel, that means it is a trapezium. So therefore ABCD is a trapezium, and this is to prove, ये प्रूफ करना था हमको कि ABCD क्या है, ट्रेपेजियम। क्लियर? सो दिस एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड।